Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on cancelling your Netflix trial before you get charged for the first time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by loading Netflix and signing in to your user profile. From the Browse page of Netflix, hover over your profile icon and then select Account from the drop-down menu. In the Account page, under the Membership and Billing page, click the Cancel Membership button. On the next page, click the Finish Cancellation blue button. Your trial or membership will now be cancelled. You can give feedback as to why you cancelled, or you can skip that part. Even though you cancelled the trial, if there were some days remaining on your trial, you will still be allowed to use Netflix until that date. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Netflix tips and tricks.